Welcome to All About Home Decor. Today, we're diving into the serene and stylish world of Japandi home decor, a perfect blend of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian coziness. If you're ready to transform your home into a tranquil haven with clean lines, natural materials, and a harmonious aesthetic, stay tuned for all the tips and inspiration. What is Japandi style? Japandi is more than just a decor trend, it's a lifestyle that emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and beauty. This style merges the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, which celebrates imperfection and natural beauty, with the Scandinavian concept of hygge, which focuses on coziness and comfort. The result? A home that feels calm, inviting, and effortlessly chic. Color palette. Start with a neutral, earthy color palette. Think soft whites, beiges, and grays, complemented by muted greens, browns, and charcoal tones. These hues create a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. To add depth, consider subtle accents like matte black or warm terracotta. Furniture selection. Japandi furniture is all about functionality and craftsmanship. Opt for pieces with clean lines, low profiles, and natural materials such as wood, bamboo, or rattan. A Scandinavian-style sofa paired with a Japanese-inspired coffee table creates a harmonious balance of form and function. Natural materials. Bring nature indoors by incorporating organic textures. Add linen curtains, wool throws, or cotton cushions for softness, and include stoneware or ceramics for a tactile, earthy touch. These elements connect your space to the natural world, enhancing the wabi-sabi essence of the Japandi style. Declutter and organize. Japandi is rooted in minimalism, so keep your space clutter-free. Embrace smart storage solutions and let go of unnecessary items. Display a few well-curated pieces, like handcrafted vases, books, or a single piece of art, to maintain focus and serenity. Lighting matters. Achieve the perfect Japandi ambience with soft, diffused lighting. Use paper lanterns, pendant lights, or floor lamps with simple designs. Natural light is essential, so maximize windows and add sheer curtains for a light and airy feel. Plants for tranquility. Add life to your Japandi home with greenery. Choose low-maintenance plants like bonsai, bamboo, or a fiddle leaf figure. The organic shapes and vibrant greens create a refreshing contrast to the neutral tones of your decor. And there you have it, everything you need to know about creating a Japandi-inspired sanctuary. This timeless style brings peace and beauty to your home, making it a retreat from the chaos of everyday life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know your favorite Japandi decor tip in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring home decor ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.